What mistakes do you need to watch out for in your Pardon Canada application? That's what I'm going to cover in this video, and stay around until the end of the video where I tell you how to get our free pardon success checklist. This checklist will help you avoid more than 25 potential mistakes in your Pardon Canada application. I'm Dan Joffe, Pardon and U.S. Waiver lawyer at NextLaw. We are Canada's only law firm dedicated to pardons and U.S. waivers. Let's get started. Every year, the Parole Board of Canada rejects a huge number of Pardon Canada applications, which are now called record suspension applications, because of mistakes. The good news is that you can avoid most of these mistakes. And here are 3 mistakes you need to be aware of. 1, are you eligible? One of the biggest mistakes people make is applying before they are eligible. Keep in mind these 4 rules. First, can your crimes be pardoned? Second, have you completed all of your sentences? Third, are you a law-abiding citizen? And fourth, are you past your waiting period? 2, are you telling the truth? The Parole Board of Canada is the decision maker. They will decide whether you get your Canadian pardon, now called the Canadian record suspension, or not. The Parole Board of Canada will do a deep dive on every answer in your record suspension application. They will verify everything in your Pardon Canada application. In other words, they will find the truth. And if you lie, your record suspension application will be rejected. Bottom line, tell the truth. 3, did you get the measurable benefit sustained rehabilitation right? The hardest part of the record suspension application is a section called Measurable Benefit Sustained Rehabilitation. The reason why it's hard is that the answers are not straightforward. They require well thought out, complete answers. They need to be written in a way that will compel the Parole Board of Canada to grant you the pardon you deserve. When writing these answers, remember these 3 things. First, don't challenge your conviction. Second, don't say you can't remember. And third, write answers with depth. If you want more tips on how to avoid mistakes on your Pardon Canada application, check out our free Pardon Success Checklist. It has more than 25 points of failure that you can avoid on your record suspension application. I've included a link in the description on how to get this free checklist. Finally, if you need help with your record suspension application, then reach out to book a free no obligation call. Our law firm will prepare your Canada pardon application correctly so you can rest easy. Click on the link below to schedule a free no obligation call.